my only, only. I can see that you were watching. I'ma make you fall in love. Just sit back and watch me work, 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 daddy. Watch me while I work, work, work. Yeah, now let me do my work, 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 daddy. Watch me while I work, 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 daddy. Tell me that you want it. I've been waiting on it. You a real ass nigga. Baby, come get it. Yeah, baby, come get it. You know I've been waiting. Wanna feel it, wanna feel it. You know you're taking too long. Body slow. I'm for you now. Good to go. I'm ready now. I'm on the floor. I believe you'll be somebody, someone that you call the one. You gon' be my only, only. I can see that you are watching. I'ma make you fall in love. Just sit back and watch me work, 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 daddy. Watch me while I work, work, work. Yeah, now let me do my work, 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 daddy.
Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday you saw me packing my bags because I'm going to go out. Well, today it's time for me to leave. This is my handbag which I'm gonna take with me. I'm gonna just pack it right now, and also I'm going to wear my outfit. This is the blue color top that I'm gonna wear. I'm going to show you guys in a sec, but let's get packing because I'm getting super late. Hi guys, so all the packing is done, and this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this blue top and some black jeans, just very neutral. And here are my bags, they're all ready. And some keychains, of course, and then grey suitcase. So yesterday I was watching series on MacBook, and suddenly the charging went zero and it just shut down. And I plugged the charger in and started charging MacBook. I kept it for like a minute or two, and then I tried oning the MacBook and it was not responding at all, and I thought charger was working, so I waited for like about 4 or 5 hours so that it can get fully charged, and it was just not responding at all. So I checked my Apple Care and it was not expired. I directly went to the iCell and checked it out, and it was working. Turns out that my charger was not working. I think the cable was not working. So today I'm going to ask my friend to go and get changed for me, because if I leave tonight for the airport I won't be able to get it fixed, and then it's just going to get long, and I need charger so that I can watch CDs while I'm on plane or while I'm at the hotel. Update: after 2 hours I was still in the meeting, and my mom gave this jaggery for me in a jar so that I can eat it whenever I want to have something sweet. And she filled this up and gave it to me, and now it's empty. So I didn't even reach to Goa and things are happening. But it is so good. Update on my MacBook. Turns out that nothing was damaged. The cable was working. The MacBook socket was working. I think there was problem with the wall socket. I don't know the names, but yeah, I'm relieved because nothing happened to my MacBook. So basically we are at break during the meetings and most of the rehearsals is covered, but there are few that we have to just figure it out. Later tonight I'm going to go to have dinner with my colleagues before we leave for the airport.